Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert a button in WordPress without a plugin inside the classic editor. This is a simple copy and paste method and you don't have to write a single line of code. Before we start, I would like you to answer some questions. Are you concerned about plugin conflicts on your WordPress website? Do you want to keep your WordPress site sleek with minimum plugins? Are you looking for an alternate method for WordPress plugins? Then this tutorial is just for you. Well, in this tutorial, we shall learn an alternate method for WordPress button plugins. Interesting thing is that you don't need to be a coder to do this. Okay, now let's get started. This method involves the use of HTML and CSS buttons in your WordPress site in the easiest way. Don't panic, you don't have to write a single line of code. This is just going to be a copy and paste job and that's it. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is you will have to log into your WordPress dashboard. So I have already logged in. Now the next thing is you will have to go to the browser and Google for CSS button generator. So you can see a lot of online CSS button generators here, but I would prefer this website, bestcssbuttongenerator.com. So I have given the link in the description below. So this has a lot of customizations and options. So now for example, here you can see on the left side you have a lot of buttons here, like say you can choose any buttons you want like this, and further you can increase or decrease the size as required like this. You can increase the font size if you want. There are several other customizations for all of these buttons here. So you can also change the text you want, like say for example subscribers. So you can type in what is required. Then finally you can click on the get code button here. So this generates the CSS and the HTML code required. So now what we should do is you should just copy the first line of the code that says ahref etc. So you can just copy this one, go to your dashboard. Now say for example if you want to put it into a new post or an existing post, just open that. I will create a new post. So I will just say camp. And now what you need to do is if you are on the visual mode, you have to switch back to the text mode and then paste the code here. Now if you come back to the visual mode, you can see just the link, but we are not done yet. What you can do is you can just go back to the CSS button generator, copy the CSS here. The first line of the code was the HTML, rest of the code is the CSS. So this you will need to just put it on your WordPress CSS. So I'll tell you how to do that. So first let us publish this. I'll just publish this. So we will have to go to the customization. So I'll just open the customization in the new tab. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom and then click on additional CSS. Now simply paste the code here just paste the code here and then hit publish. Now let us check this if this is working. We'll just click on the view post. Yeah, that works. So you can see the button here. Now let's suppose if you want to have multiple instances of the button, what you can do is you can just copy the first line of the code, that was this one, so the HTML code. So I'll just copy this and paste it. You can change the button text anytime you want, so you can change it to whatever you want, like say click here to know more, like that. So let us add some dummy data here. To add the dummy data, I'll just go to lipsum.com. I'll just copy some dummy data here. I'll come back to the post. Okay, I'll just paste some dummy content over here and again here. Now let us update the page, the post. Now let us view the post and check how that looks. So this was our first button and this was the second button. So now if you want to change the link of this button, the destination link, what you can do is, now say for example I want to link that button to this website. So what I can do is I can just go to the edit post, switch to the text mode. You'll have to switch to the text mode and then just find this one. So you will have to change the href link here. So I just remove the hash and then paste the link here. So this is how you can add the link to the button. I'll hit update. Now let us check once again. I'll just click on the view post. Let us click on this button and check. So it's taking some time because there was some ads running on my website. So now the button has taken to the destination website. So I think you have learned how to add a button inside WordPress website without using any WordPress plugins. I hope this was the easiest method. If you liked my tutorial, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. I always advise my clients and friends to use minimum plugins on their WordPress website to avoid plugin conflicts. I hope this technique was useful. If you like this tutorial, please share this with your friends and never forget to subscribe my channel. I ask you again. So you can also visit my website hbninfotech.com for more useful WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.